Hi, welcome to Silicon VLSI. Today we will discuss about which metal layer has a higher capacitance, the lower metal or higher metal. To go further, first we have to understand what is the metal stack in VLSI layout. In VLSI layout design, metal layer are play important role in interconnecting transistor and the other components on chip. Lower metal is near to the substrate and higher metal which is far away from the substrate. If you say each technology have a different metal stack, so for each thickness, each layer has a different thickness. If you see in 65 nanometer from metal 1 to metal 4, color is same. Here color is same means thickness is same. From B1 to B3, color is same means thickness is same. So for M1 it has lower thickness. For E2 it has higher thickness. I will tell you why this is matter. So for metal there are two type of capacitance. One is metal to metal capacitance and another one is metal to substrate capacitance. Metal to metal capacitance will occur between adjacent metal layers and the metal to substrate capacitance will occur between metal layer and silicon substrate. So one reason could be like from metal to substrate distance is for metal 1, metal to substrate distance is very less. So that's the reason we are keeping less width and less thickness to avoid the metal to substrate capacitance. So due to proximity effect, metal to substrate capacitance is significant higher. So additionally, lower metal layers tend to have a smaller width and pitch, increasing their parasitic capacitance with adjacent layers. So, if in interview, if someone asks you why thickness and width is less for metal one as compared to higher metal or top metal, you have to give answer like to avoid metal to substrate capacitance, we are keeping less width of metal for lower metal. And also second and one most important reason to for lower width and the lower thickness is to avoid the mechanical stress over the substrate. So let's assume if we go for higher thickness for metal one and higher width, so whatever mechanical stress during the CMP process, it will affect substrate also. So it will degrade the device performance. For higher metal, stack will be different. So the mechanical stress over the substrate will be different. So there are two main reasons. One is metal to substrate capacitance and another one is mechanical stress. So you have to give these two answers. For higher metal like metal 6, metal 7 are farther away from the substrate, as I said, experience lower metal to substrate capacitance. These are also wider in spacer farther apart compared to lower layers, reducing the metal to metal capacitance. So, for in conclusion, metal 1 has a higher capacitance from with respect to substrate as compared to top metal. So that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to see more question related like this, we have our forum in Silicon VLSI. You can check. You can also give answer or you can also submit your question. Just visit siliconvlsi.com. You will see. Thank you so much.